Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SOP update, and boy oh boy, SOP is looking amazing, guys, and there's no signs of stopping out. And previously the bull flag that I did talk about in the previous videos has been playing out perfectly, and what I'm expecting from SOP is probably a continuation pattern in the making right now, some sort of an ascending triangle. So if you do break out of this ascending triangle, you're looking to go all the way from there to there, and that actually takes you all the way up here to nearly that price level. And yes, you are on a technical journey to come up here to the 480, and the reason is simple: because of the inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder break to the upside, and you're looking to go farther higher towards this place. And that's it for this quick update on SOP. Nothing fancy. I would like to actually tell you to put a stop loss nearly the 376. So if you do coming down to 376 and you go below the trend line or the neckline, that's not really good. That's still going to be negative. But to me, the view still remains to the upside. Nothing invalidated. It's still looking good, okay? Unless there's any sign that we get that it's going to look bad. No, it's not looking bad. It's still looking amazing to continue to go to the upside. And that's it for this update on SOP. Quick one. It's just to reassure you that the technical journey is still up here. Now, when we're going to go there, we're going to talk about what's going to happen next. Potentially, you might consider taking a profit out here. You never know, it can come down again. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.